A wave of early speculation is building around a new token called APEMARS, and it's triggering deja vu across the crypto market. Not because of any exchange listing or sudden price spike, but because it mirrors the exact pattern that preceded explosive runs in both Mantle and Pepe. Back then, both were dismissed as noise. Today, they're symbols of misfortune. Now, with APEMARS in its final structured presale phase, investors are asking, could this be the next crypto to hit $1? That question isn't just hype. It's rooted in a repeatable cycle: early skepticism, gradual accumulation, and sudden momentum that leaves latecomers behind. APEMARS is currently in stage 20, labeled Fire Dive, with a token price of 0.000368896. This isn't a public trading price. It's a presale rate, accessible only to those who act before broader market exposure kicks in. The projected listing price is 0.0055, suggesting a 13.90% return just from initial exchange entry. Over $470,000 has already been raised, with more than 1,760 holders participating and over 30.52 billion tokens sold. These numbers matter because they signal organic demand before any retail frenzy begins. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. The mechanism behind APEMARS combines staged pricing and scheduled burns, a dual-engine design meant to reward early participation. Burns occur at stages 6, 12, 18, and 23, permanently removing unsold tokens from circulation. This isn't just marketing, it's a structural scarcity play. Each completed stage tightens supply, increasing pressure as the presale advances. Combined with a progressive pricing model, early investors lock in better rates than those who wait, creating a time-based advantage. Adding to the incentive structure is the Rocket 250 bonus, which grants eligible participants an additional 250% in tokens. For a $4,000 investment at the current rate, that means approximately 10.84 million tokens become 37.94 million with the bonus. The ecosystem also includes the Orbital Boost referral system, which rewards both referrer and referred user with 9.34% of the contribution, funded from a community rewards pool. Participation requires a minimum $22 contribution, lowering the barrier to entry while still filtering out pure speculation. This system turns user growth into a self-reinforcing loop. Expansion fuels more expansion, all before any centralized marketing campaign begins. Underlying this is the narrative of history repeating. Mantle started as a speculative Layer 2 play with uncertain utility. It evolved into a full-fledged modular blockchain ecosystem, drawing developers and liquidity. Pepe, meanwhile, began as pure meme energy, no utility, no roadmap. Yet both rode waves of cultural momentum and supply scarcity to deliver life-changing returns to early buyers. But here's the catch: none of this guarantees success. The next crypto to hit $1 isn't chosen by mechanics alone, it's chosen by adoption. APEMARS has not yet launched on any major exchange. Its tokenomics depend on continued presale momentum and post-listing demand. There's no guarantee of exchange listings, developer uptake, or real-world utility. The Rocket 250 bonus and burn schedule are incentives, not assurances. And there's another layer: Parowin PWIN, an ecosystem token tied to a platform called Crypto Lucky. Early PWIN holders gain exclusive utility access, and the supply model is dynamic. Final token count depends on presale participation, doubled. This creates a feedback loop between APEMARS and PWIN, suggesting a broader ecosystem play. But again, it's early. The platform isn't live. The utility is theoretical. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. So what should viewers watch? The end of stage 20. That's the next signal. Once it closes, pricing shifts, bonuses may change, and access tightens. Whether APEMARS becomes the next crypto to hit $1 depends on what happens after that: exchange listings, trading volume, and whether the narrative spreads beyond early believers. The mechanism is in place. The question is whether momentum follows. For now, the cycle feels familiar. And history, more than any token model, is what's driving attention. The takeaway isn't to chase the next big meme coin, it's to understand the pattern. Early doubt, structured entry, supply pressure, and bonus incentives have preceded every major presale breakout. APEMARS is building that exact environment. Whether it becomes the next crypto to hit $1 isn't certain. But the conditions for such a move are now active, and that's what makes this phase critical.